Hey there, I wanted to show a quick schematic that I created a while back that I've come to really enjoy. It's very helpful for building units. So back in the day and before V8, this was how I would build units. I would have my factories attached to my core, and I'd use unloaders to pull out the resources, and then I would just feed in the resources to the core from whichever direction I needed to. I mean, alternatively, you could put a factory over here and feed in the resources like I am doing up on the left here. But more often than not, I would attach my factory to my core, feed in the resources, and get my units out. So I then, after V8 came out, transitioned to using this approach. Now, this is the new schematic. This uses landing pads surrounding the three factories here, and I feed in my graphite, the titanium, the silicon, metaglass, and the coal and lead via landing pads. And then all you have to do is feed in power and water instead of 6 things or 8 things. All you have to feed in is water and power. And so what that allows you to do is right after you land, build a couple megas that helps build this a little bit faster, and then plop down 3 or 4 or however many you want of these and just start producing units. It's a lot easier than feeding in 7 different materials. Just feed in water and power, and you have an army that can build pretty quickly. Here's an example where I have my factory attached to my core. One of the problems with this is it makes it hard to feed material in from different sides of the core. And so this particular level, I had to put some defenses real quick because the enemy was really close to me. I didn't have a lot of space. So I really was crammed in this side here. So this was one of the challenges of a core-based factory. And so I came back behind my base, found a place where there was some water, plopped one of these factories down, and just started pumping out guys. And it worked pretty well. It gave me an army at the very beginning that I could work from. And that worked up until the point where I needed some more firepower. So then I took that same schematic and I added an exponential reconstructor on the front, added a couple more landing pads to supplement the additional materials that I needed. And voila, I now had extra firepower coming out. And the benefit of this is that if you're on a level where you need units really quickly, you want to destroy the enemy fast, you don't even have to get the resources collected and pull it out of your core. You can just have the resources appear from the sky that come from other sectors via the landing pads. Now, granted, this does require that you have those other sectors producing all this material. You don't get it for free, but once you have those other sectors set up, you can just pull in the material that you need very quickly. So this schematic works pretty good. I really have found it very useful on a lot of the base levels in the campaign. And I'd say I'm going to go ahead and put this out there so you can use this, but hopefully you enjoy this, and I'll catch you next time.